So what's up, guys? We just brought the car back. This is how it looks. We're just gonna give you a quick tour. So we haven't even touched anything so far. Like, it's just the way it was.
And we're gonna be cleaning all this shit. We took the seat covers off. We got her some of our cleaning products. But as you can see, there's a bunch of shit in here that we need to clean out.
Yeah, there's some. Yeah, we just put those there. That's some cleaning supplies from our last cleaning video. We were using some of those. Yeah, it's open.
Oh shit! So let's see what we got. Okay, we can use this. Oh, this is like a heavy duty one. Shit, it's pretty big.
Oh yeah, this is nice. Alright, so this guy was a cowboy.
He was like a stripper, bro.
44 mag. This is where it goes. No, I'm just kidding.
Nah, he was like a probably
construction guy. Yeah.
Construction or something.
Oh, his name was Frank.
Frank, yo, don't be.
Frank, if you're watching this, don't be jealous, bro. Sorry we bought your car.
So we got your car, bro. But we'll take care of it, man. We're gonna clean this shit out, cause clearly you did it. So I don't know. Oh shit, he has the tire fixing tool. This is for the tires. Let's see what else we got. Yo, we got a bunch of fucking. Yo, that shit is huge. That's what she said. But I mean, what the fuck is that? Yo, this guy was making his own cigars and shit.
Let me get a garbage bag, so whatever.
Yeah, get a garbage bag. So let's see what we got in here. Fucking umbrella. I don't know. A chair. Yo, all of these cars, I mean most of these cars that we buy, they come with a chair. I don't know what it is, but most of these cars, they come with the chair in the trunk.
No way.
Yeah, bro. The BMW,
Oh, BMW had a chair?
Yeah, like, and the car before that had a chair.
Oh,
so
I had a bigger.
Maybe it's like a it's a rule.
You want to keep that chair? I think it's
not that bad. Oh, open it up. Open it up.
Oh, come on. We can open it up later.
Yo, open it up. Let's see. If we gotta throw it out, we'll throw it out. Oh shit, bro.
Yo, matter of fact, this is brand new.
Sit in it. Sit in it.
This is brand new.
That's like a movie chair,
that
bro.
Could be
on the set.
This could be a thumbnail.
This could be a director chair. Yo, okay, we're keeping that chair. What about these cones, bro? Yo, sit on this cone.
Alright, so let's just start throwing shit out. So this is.
Damn, this thing is huge. Yo, open that. Open that. What did you throw in there?
Like some tobacco.
Oh, maybe this weed, bro. We put it on eBay. Open this. No, tobacco. Cut that.
Okay, this is a broken umbrella. We don't need it.
Is it?
Yeah, it's broken.
Bro, this is a perfect umbrella.
Come on. It's $1.
It's not $1.
Get a new one, bro. Hey,
that shit is a perfect umbrella. Nah, let's just leave it outside. Somebody else will take it, bro. Or are you gonna throw it in the garbage? Alright, next.
Okay,
what we got?
Is that? I don't know. I'll throw it out.
Cups.
Throw it out.
Garbage. This thing, somebody could definitely. Yo, we got a do-rag. Yo, put this on. Put this on.
Yeah, put this on.
My son Frank, keep this for the tires. It's a quick fix. It's a nice tool.
Yeah.
We're gonna use that. Let's put it on the side.
Okay, let's just just put these tools on the side.
Yeah, this is with the thing that's together.
Yeah, just put the tools over there.
Oh, rubber cement. Damn, this is actually useful. We don't gotta buy shit like this. This is like a heavy duty.
Bro, this is useful too.
This is mad heavy duty.
Somebody giving you a hard time on a traffic light.
Bro, this shit
get out, take
yo, you guys should see how heavy this shit is actually. I don't know what we're gonna do with that. Maybe just throw it out or put it on eBay. I don't know.
Oh, underwear.
Underwear.
It smell like shit.
Okay, this could be like.
This could be like
with the bundle, bro, on
Why
eBay.
Not?
We got a floor mat.
Oh, shit, looks brand new.
Yo, that's good because we just bought brushes, so we can use this. Let's see what the fuck is in here.
Oh, this is
I hope it's not long.
broken. Some shit's broken.
Oh, what the fuck is
Some
this?
broken pieces of.
Damn, this guy
it's a
played
basketball
basketball,
trophy.
man. Bro, Frank, if you want this.
Yo, basketball in Jesus. Champs.
Oh, okay, this is like a
2015.
church basketball. Bro, if you want this, Frank, come through. Like, we're gonna throw it out.
With the bag.
Don't come through. Yo, check. Oh shit, yo, if
Yo,
last week we were trying to take off a tire on the Audi, and if we had this, it would have been much faster. We were using like small ass tool. This is perfect, actually.
What the fuck? Look at that. Yo,
Oh,
look
that's
at
like
that.
a sound system. JL Audio, bro. Damn, that's like that's the subwoofer
Yo,
right here.
hope that thing works.
That's fire. Let me see what's up with the. That's like a scraper.
Yo, what the fuck?
GTA whole fucking package. Yo, this is Vice City and Grand Theft Auto 3.
What the
Bro,
fuck?
that's childhood memories right there.
Assassin's Creed.
Yo, that's one of my favorite games. Ghost Recon, I don't know. Gears of War 2.
Front.
Nice.
Spider-Man.
Damn, bro.
Gears of War.
But
GTA.
too bad we don't got a fucking Xbox.
Yeah.
Cause that shit good. Yo, we got a PS4.
Yeah, we can sell these though.
Yeah, we definitely sell that.
Which one is latest?
Yo, there's
Xbox?
games inside. Check if there's games. Maybe it's just empty. Fucking
No.
just check one of them.
Oh, they're heavy.
Oh
Yeah, bro.
shit.
All of them have games.
Damn. Okay.
Yo, if anybody wants these games, you can just comment down below which game you like.
Yeah, we'll do
Yeah.
a giveaway, bro.
I'll just send these over to you. If you still have 360, is the 360 latest one or is the
I think it's the X.
Xbox One?
Xbox, yeah, one.
You want some
What
water?
else you got? Water. Yo, what's up with this guy with the brooms and brushes, bro? This is a brand new brush.
What the fuck? We bought.
Yo.
I think we buy these.
Oh, we didn't buy it. Remember?
We didn't buy it?
We didn't buy it. Good thing, but we got it right here.
We want water.
Yo, we should have just checked it. Good thing we didn't buy it. Bro, we don't need water for what? Maybe we'll wash something or something. Yo, these
Dude, this
straps
smells
are
like shit.
good.
Yo, with glass wipes. We just
Yo.
wipe this shit.
And that's brand new, too.
Whoa, look at that.
Yo, if we had that, damn, bro, mad nice tools we got right now. They're actually gonna.
Yeah, man. Maybe me and Frank could have been friends, bro. We didn't
Yo.
never know. I like.
Give me
What
some
the
money.
fuck
Oh,
is
nah.
that?
Yo,
This
what
guy's
the?
lunch.
Oh, nah. Hold up.
This shit smells like shit.
It does. This is like lunch from 3 years ago or something.
Bro, don't
Oh,
even open it.
nah.
Don't
Yo.
even open
Oh, that's disgusting. Yo, we
Yeah.
have to show it for the thumbnail, bro. Open it. I dare you open that.
Nah.
Open it, bro.
No.
Yo, for a few seconds. Who wants Kit
I
Kat?
can already smell the bag
Yo,
smell.
that's so fucking bad. Oh, yo, we gotta show it. We gotta show it. What else is in there?
The bag smells nothing.
Oh, shit. Yo, open it. Come on, open it.
Bro, there's a fucking
Yo, just open the
There's a
fucking thing
fucking
so we can
nasty
throw
sock
it
in
out. Yo, I think you need a mask. Yo. Fuck. Open it all the way. Fuck. Throw that shit out, bro. It's like Pandora box.
That's it. You can only open this for 2 seconds, or
Or you're
you're not trying to
fucking
cause
die.
like a zombie apocalypse, bro.
Yo, that is. But yo, I can't wait to try the audio system. That shit's gonna be dope.
Oh, bro, some shit smells like
Yo, it
fucking
smells
nasty
so
sock in
bad,
there.
Yo, what these cost? Alright, yeah, let's clean these out, and then we do that. Yo, let's check under if you gotta. Yo, bring this in.
Yeah, so hold on.
Let's see.
It's not coming out. Oh, hold on.
You gotta move this. That's
No, you gotta move this.
Take it out and like Bank it out this way. No, you gotta do this. Look.
Oh, bro.
Yeah. What we got in here? Damn, it could have been hundreds out here. Just fucking nothing. And this car doesn't have a tire because these are run flat tires, so you don't have a spare one in here.
Okay, we can start doing the.
Well, I don't know what this tube is for. I don't know.
This doesn't come up?
No, because there's nothing.
I think that
in
comes
there.
up. Alright, so this garbage.
This gasoline.
Oh, that towel probably smells.
Gasoline bag or something. I mean,
Was
I said
this
bad.
here or we put it here?
No, we actually found that. It's pretty. It's a Duralast.
It was here?
70 amps, 700 amps. It's pretty dope. Try it. See if it turns on. Maybe it doesn't work. Oh
Yeah,
shit!
okay,
It
yeah.
works. It says low.
It's low.
So you gotta charge it. That's
Okay,
good.
put it over there.
That's dope. We're gonna use that definitely.
Y'all mind if I use
Hey, made it. And a brush. Another brush. This guy has mad brushes. No joke.
Oh, fuck, look at it. Look at this.
Oh shit, there's broken glass in here.
Man, glass.
Yeah, we gotta take out the whole thing.
Oh, fuck.
You wanna take care of that side? Yeah. More glass in here. Yo. Yo, Vato, I found something for you, bro. Here. That's for you.
Bro, just put it, just throw it out.
Where's the garbage? Oh, sorry.
Just throw this out.
So. Whoa!
What?
Bro, it smells so fucking bad. I don't know if it's from the bag or from
I
here.
think that's the thing.
But
Caref-
yo,
caref-
good thing this guy had a fucking seat covers, cause it would have been much fucking harder to get shit out from this fucking car, bro. And we're obviously gonna throw this shit out. Hold it up.
I think that's why it smells, man.
Bro, we should have had the mask.
Those we don't need. Throw it out, throw it out. Throw it out. Why you gotta
Yeah,
open it up?
Tobacco.
Bro,
If y'all want. He was an iron worker. Credit card? Some kind of USB coming from here.
bro, just
Well, this was obviously not helping.
fuck it, though.
Did we win? Oh shit, 11. 11, winning number 11. That's $5. What about 21 and 3? Yeah, that's about it, but we just won $5. That's why he was keeping it. Alright? That's good. clean, you know, but it's not the final stage. I'm definitely going to detail it inside out.